Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Amazon codes so you can get basically whatever you want. It's very simple, very easy, just a few steps you have to follow along. Also guys, I am doing a Galaxy S10 giveaway. If you do want to win this, all you have to do is like the video, comment down below why you deserve it, and make sure you're subscribed. Alright guys, so the first step is open up your browser and then go to your search bar and type in odexgen.com/gift. And this will take you to odex.com/gift, which is a gift card creator. As you can see here, first thing you have to do is enter your email, which I will do right now. Alright, then you need to select if you're on Apple or Android, and for me personally, I am on Android. And then here, you select the gift card, which is, of course, the Amazon gift card, which is what you want. And then you go ahead and click Create Gift Card. Processing. Okay. So this part, you need to make sure that you are, in fact, a human, because there are bots that try and ruin the servers. They flood the servers by trying to get gift cards, like big companies and stuff like that. So go ahead and click Verify Now. And this will take you to this page right here where there are 4 offers, which is what you have to complete to prove that you are a human. This is showing that it's still waiting for verification. So what you need to do is go ahead and start off with offer number 1, which I will walk you through. Okay, here it'll ask you for your first name and last name, and your email, which I've already put in, so it's got it. So it says, thanks, your email is confirmed. That means you're good to go so far. It's generating your reward number. All right. Now this should take you to this page right here where you have to fill out more information. Again, your first name, last name, and just a little bit more information, not too much stuff. All right, just continue to go through this. All right. Once you have completed this, go ahead and click Continue. All right, once you get this woohoo popped up, you should know that you are good to go and you are able to complete the rest of the offer. Here it's going to ask you for enough questions, like super simple questions just like this, like do you drink enough water? Yes, of course I do. Then it'll ask you like what type of games? Bank account? Yeah. How much do I make? I'm not going to tell y'all. Are you a homeowner? Yes. No, I'm not. All right. Continue to go through this. Very, very, very simple questions. It'll ask you about cars and stuff. If it asks you about health or car insurance policy, just go ahead and click no about that. All right. We're getting close to the end here. Okay. Once you have finished that out, it'll give you this page right here. Make sure your name, first and last, is filled in along with your phone. Go ahead and click I confirm and then continue. This will now take you to a little graphic showing you the work that you've done so far and how close you are to the finish. Now this takes you to the deals page right here. So you have to complete one of these deals before you were able to go back and verify. So go ahead and click claim deal and then do whatever it asks. And once you are finished with that, you can head back to the landing page and then start the second, third, and fourth offer. And then once you finish those offers, this will stop and your download will start. And then you'll be able to get gift cards, free gift cards, and you can get all the Nintendo games that you want. Once the verification is complete, you will get an email with the $600 Amazon gift card, and then you will be able to use it on Amazon for anything you could desire. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I really helped you out. If you have any concerns or questions or like it didn't work for you, go ahead and leave a comment and I'll respond to as many as I can. Also, don't forget about the Galaxy S10 giveaway. Like I said, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below why you deserve it, and make sure you're subscribed.